Play table tennis anywhere. Portable on-the-go ping-pong spring clamp net system with adjustable lengths for playing table tennis on any surface. Extends longer than normal ping-pong nets. Fits tables and surfaces up to 1.75 inches thick and expands up to 5.75 feet long, longer than the width of a standard table tennis tabletop. Easily attached to any surface. Pull the ping-pong net to any length and set up in seconds with the easy button clamp feature. Includes protective rubber padded tightening clamps to stabilize your posts and protect your surface. Compact for easy transport. The JOOLA Retractable ping-pong net automatically rolls closed with a no-tangle design and is compact for storage and transport anywhere. Premier JOOLA quality, backed by more than 65 years of professional-level table tennis experience, our retractable ping-pong net set is the same equipment used by amateur and pro players at every level, including the US Open and Olympics. Top reviews from the United States. Paddles and balls are garbage, but the net is awesome. Don't buy this for the paddles or balls. They are definitely junk even for an amateur like me who just plays for fun. But the net is surprisingly awesome. It's super easy to install. Retracts when not in use. Sometimes I have to make it taut again if it gets hit, but I'm not playing for money, so it's not a big deal. It's so much easier than out old net with strings and clips you have to get just right. I love this thing.